Okay, we are fishing with a KD custom built rod. I absolutely love it, man. The marbling is beautiful, KD. You hit the nail right on the head with this. Cast nice, feels good, nice and balanced. We gotta catch us a big fish. See how it feels. Oh, look at that. Oh, first cast again. That's good. Alright. Well, felt pretty good. I got two bass. One's chasing it. Man, there were two bass side by side. Oh, he's not too bad. It handled him pretty good, buddy. There you go. But we're still looking for that big bass. Still looking for that slab.